can open it. Uh-oh. Hope it don't break them.
I know.
Can you open mine?
Show me what you got.
What? Oh, I think I don't love this.
You think you're gonna love it?
What do you think it is?
What is it, Lane?
Oh!
What's it, Lane?
Whoa! What is it?
That's what I was thinking for me.
What is that?
What did you get?
Oh my goodness, I've never seen one of
What
those.
does it do, Lane? What is that?
It blows that thing.
It blows that thing?
Wow.
Let's see it.
What are you telling Candace
Thank you.
and Uncle Jim?
What is it? Thank you.
Ooh, that looks awesome. Look, what did Sissy get?
I'll open it up.
Yeah, open it up. What did your sister get?
Oh, I got this for Christmas.
She did?
Oh, these are Sissy's all-time stirs.
They are her favorite. Aren't they really cute?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's that?
Let's say thank you, Aunt Candace.
Thank you, Candace.
And Uncle Jim. And Uncle Jim.
Say it, Uncle Jim.
Thank you, Uncle Jim.
Let's check.